The new investigation says the wrongdoing of the shootdown itself continued well after. The crash site looted, then bulldozed, families denied access, some harassed. The tragedy compounded with a cover-up designed to confuse and mislead.
The reckless nature of the mistakes have led many, including myself, to question whether the downing of flight PS752 was intentional.
She says Iran failed to respect the right to life of 176 people on board Flight 752.
The failure to close Iran airspace, in my opinion, amounts to a failure to protect under international human rights law.
14 months ago, Iran kept commercial planes flying just hours after firing missiles at a U.S. base in Iraq. Retaliation for the U.S. killing of a top Iranian general. Iran later said a wing of its military mistook Flight 752 for a hostile target, and it only had 10 seconds to decide to fire. Today's findings suggest it would have had 45 seconds or more, and noted planes flying the same route earlier escaped attack, one of many contradictions laid out.
The mere fact that she has decided to investigate the destruction of PS752 suggests that it was, if not intentional, at the very least foreseeable and preventable loss of human life.
I think it's a turning point.
Hamid Ismailian's wife and daughter died on the plane. He says victims' families are done waiting on Iran for answers and want Canada and the international community to take action.
We are frustrated. We are still waiting for reactions. We want to see words turn to actions, and we are still waiting. We are here, we are alive, and we want to see the truth and justice one day.
Okay, so Ashley, what does happen next?
Well, Andrew, Callamard sent Iran a letter detailing questions she has. Now, if and when she gets a response, she can submit a final report to the UN Human Rights Council, which could potentially become evidence in future international legal proceedings. And that's what victims' families want, this to end up at the International Court of Justice. Canada has said it's open to that, but only if all other avenues fail first. And it plans to review this report carefully.
Okay, we'll be watching. Ashley Burke, thank you very much.
Thank you.